To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. India, along with the whole world, is looking forward to a tested and reliable COVID-19 vaccine. In this context, ambassadors from 64 countries visited Bharat Biotech and Biological E Limited based in Hyderabad, where vaccines for coronaviruses are being developed. The major countries where diplomats joined the tour were Australia, Denmark, Iran, Bhutan, Brazil, Myanmar, Slovenia, Trinidad, Afghanistan and Sri Lanka. India demonstrated its indigenous vaccine production capabilities through this visit and made an effort to find a market for its indigenous COVID-19 vaccines. It is noteworthy that although the vaccination of coronavirus has started in a country like Britain, the work of vaccine manufacture is in its final stage in many countries, including India. Finally, the most awaited moment came last Tuesday, December 2nd, which saw the start of a global immunization program in the UK, the one for which the whole world was waiting for. 90-year-old Margaret Keenan in the UK became the first person to get the shot of COVID-19 vaccine. This was made possible as the UK gave emergency authorization to the vaccine produced by US drug maker Pfizer and Germany's BioNTech. This is a widely tested and independently reviewed COVID-19 vaccine. In its first phase, the UK plans to vaccinate around 8 lakhs of elderly individuals of above 80 years of age who are either hospitalized or already have outpatient appointments scheduled, along with nursing home workers. The UK has also agreed to buy millions of doses from 7 different producers to give momentum to its vaccination program. Governments around the world are making agreements with multiple developers to ensure they lock in delivery of the products that are ultimately approved for widespread use. Vaccines are currently the talk of the town, but let's not forget that it will take at least a year or two before the whole world gets immunized to COVID-19 by getting vaccine shots. Therefore, finding a drug that treats COVID-19 infection remains important. In this context, a piece of exciting news have come from Georgia State University, where the scientists have reported that a new oral drug named Molnupiravir stops the transmission of COVID-19 in just 24 hours. Researchers at India's Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, or CSIR, are also holding discussions to initiate clinical trials of new oral drug Molnupiravir. The antiviral drug Molnupiravir is being developed by the biotechnology firm Ridgeback Biotherapeutics in collaboration with pharmaceutical firm Merck. Georgia State University scientists have shown that in ferrets, the drug completely suppresses transmission of COVID-19 in 24 hours. The drug stops replication of the copies of the virus's RNA in the cell. To check if the drug works similarly in humans, clinical testing of Molnupiravir is carried out by Merck at multiple centers. These trials are randomized, placebo-controlled, double-blind clinical study to evaluate the efficacy and safety of this drug in hospitalized adults with COVID-19 across 46 locations in various countries. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.